shadows lean and bend. They hold secrets they won't send. Oh, the hills of knowing keep on glowing, keep on showing all the things I'm never owning. Hills of knowing, hills of knowing. Each step feels like 1,000 years. The ground is soft but full of fears. I hear the earth hum deep and low. It knows the truths I'll never know. I ask the wind, it laughs at me. It twists and spins, it's never free. Ooh, oh, the hills of knowing keep on glowing, keep on showing all the things I'm never owning. Hills of knowing, hills of knowing. Maybe they're dreams made of dust. Maybe they're hearts I can't trust. But still I climb, I must, I must. Maybe they're dreams made of dust. Maybe they're hearts I can't trust. But still I climb, I must, I must. Sunrise whispers through the leaves, a quiet king, no crown to seize. Jungle hums with the beat of peace. Lion, don't bow, no way, no how. Stand tall, don't ask me how. Lion, don't bow, no way, no how. Shadows stretch, but they can't catch me. Roots hold firm like an old oak tree. Freedom's roar, it runs wild and free. Don't you see the fire inside? Burns too bright to ever hide. Lion, don't bow, no way, no how. Stand tall, don't ask me how. Lion, don't bow, no way, no how. Caged hearts break, but minds unchained. Rain may fall, but I love the rain. Every step leaves a mark, not a stain. stand tall. Don't ask me how. Lion, don't bow. No way, no how. Caged hearts break, but mine's unchained. Rain may fall, but I love the rain. Every step leaves a mark, not a stain. Oh, 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 oh. The old roots twist and the spirits sleep. We've been bent but never broken. Words unspoken still remain. Roots still strong where we belong. Through the fire, through the storm. Roots still strong, they carry on. Hold the earth, keep us warm. The rain falls heavy, but it feeds the ground. Every drop a rhythm, every beat profound. The past may fade, but it never dies. It lives in the roots, it lives in the skies. We've been torn but never shattered. Dreams still matter, we remain. Roots still strong where we belong. Through the fire, through the storm. Roots still strong, they carry on. Hold the earth, keep us warm. Roots still strong where we belong. Through the fire, through the storm. Roots still strong, they carry on. Hold the earth, keep us warm.
Hunger knocking pon the door, empty pots on the floor. Them say patience, me say war. Sound for the poor, sound for the weak. Rhythm for the silent, make the voiceless speak. Oh, sound for the poor, rise up and tweak. The system no care, but the music make we peak. The sun still rise, but the belly still low. Them promise rivers, but we see no flow. Babylon plant seeds, but nothing for grow. Tell me how we survive when the struggle is strive. Me say only music keep we alive. Sound for the poor, sound for the weak. Rhythm for the silent, make the voiceless speak. Oh, Sound for the poor, rise up and tweak. The system not care, but the music make we peak. From the hills to the ghetto street, the rhythm carry the heartbeat. When the world cold, make the fire heat. The sound of the food make the people eat. Hills to the ghetto street, the rhythm carry the heartbeat. When the world cold, make the fire heat. The sound of the food make the people eat. To the ghetto street, the rhythm carry the heartbeat. When the world cold, make the fire heat. The sound of the food make the people eat. From the hills to the ghetto street, the rhythm carry the heartbeat. When the world cold, make the fire heat. The sound of the food make the people eat. It's made of lead. A whisper floats where the clouds are bled. Stone in my hand, it feels so old. A memory trap, a story untold. Stone and breath, they keep me whole. Take a breath, feel the calm, fear the death. Stone and breath, they keep me whole. Stone and breath, they fill
they teach. Together they show how to stay still